Woman granted bail for her alleged involvement in big workplace robbery. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A woman who is charged with her alleged involvement in the robbery of a phone store where she was employed in Claremont, St. Anne was granted $200,000 bail when she appeared in the St. Anne Parish Court. Bethany Grant, a 20-year-old resident of Lidford Housing Scheme in Golden Grove, St. Anne, is charged with shop breaking and larceny, conspiracy, and misprision of felony. She was granted bail last week ahead of New Year's celebrations. Her co-accused 30-year-old Demario Finnegan, a bus driver of Riverhead Manig, also in St. Anne, is facing similar charges. According to the Claremont Police, law enforcement officers were alerted to the phone store by a resident at around 12:30 a.m. on Sunday, December 17. On their arrival, a search was carried out and 3 men were seen running from the building. It was later discovered that the men gained entrance to the building and stole $1.9 million in cash, 35 cellular phones and other electronics valued at $780,000. Finnegan was reportedly apprehended while driving a bus that was transporting the robbers. 2 of the robbers jumped from the vehicle and made good their escape while the police intercepted the bus. Law enforcement searched the vehicle and discovered the stolen phones. Finnegan was subsequently arrested following a probe. Grant was also detained. They were both later charged. During a bail application for Grant last week, prosecutors said that the accused woman was employed at the store as a customer service agent. The prosecution alleged that she plotted with the alleged robbers by providing them with vital information on how to gain access to the store, but Grant, through her attorney, denied these claims. The attorney said Grant only knew Finnegan through her boyfriend. She said the now accused man joked about robbing the store, but she did not believe Finnegan was serious about doing so. After hearing the application, presiding judge granted the accused woman bail. Grant is to return to court on January 2nd, 2024. It was not immediately clear if Finnegan remains in custody. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.